Aline Bold Linear Icon Pack is a specialized application for Android that provides users with a collection of stylish, minimalistic icons designed to enhance the visual appeal of their device's user interface. This icon pack features bold, linear designs that offer a contemporary look, allowing users to personalize their home screens and app drawers. The icons are typically created with consistent styling, ensuring a cohesive aesthetic across different applications. Aline Bold Linear Icon Pack often includes icons for a wide range of popular apps, providing users with an extensive library to choose from. In addition to the icons, these packs may come with features such as customizable wallpapers, easy installation guides, and support for various launchers, enabling seamless integration into users' existing setups. By using this icon pack, individuals can elevate their device's appearance, making it more visually appealing and uniquely tailored to their style. This enhances the overall user experience while showcasing a modern, clean design that stands out.